Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss about how we can convert a data table to the XML file. For that I have used a custom activity called dataTable to XML file activity. This custom activities you can download it from here. Okay, package manager, put it in available mode and you can download so many things here. Okay, so let me show you the output first, then we'll see how we can implement this one. Okay, so this is a path I have. You can see there is no file in it. Okay, I have created one data table using build data table. Okay, this one, and here I am going to generate that particular XML file using this workflow. Okay, so let me run this. So I started running it and it started its execution. Now you can see execution is also completed. Let me go and show. You can see this output is also created. Okay, let me open with a notepad and see how it looks like. You can see the data came in a proper format like table name, ID, again 2. Okay, so for every row it is creating it is creating like this. Okay, a tag, a parent tag, under that subtags. Okay, so the parent tag will be like a table name and a subtags. Okay, for every row, because I have two rows in the data table. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, so let me implement this one and let me show different available output types that we have it here. Okay, so if you see it here, this is the activity that I have used. Okay, for that you need input data table and you need to give output structure. Okay, so output file where you want to get this. So now to get that input data table I have used something like build data table. Okay, so build data table will build a data table. Okay, so name, let me get something like ID as well. Let me get something like place. Okay, name, let me get it something like Karthik, ID 101, place Bangalore, and create something like Beti 102 Hyderabad. So I have created these two. So I'll keep output as dt1. So okay, once we have this input data table, let me show you this one dt1, and here you need to give the path. So what I'll does is I'll go it here, we'll keep this one and output to .xml. Okay, this will get completed. Now if you see here, writing mode, there were three different options. One will be like ignore schema, which is a default value for this one, and write schema and diffgram. Okay, so what it does is ignore schema will ignore the schema completely, that will execute first, then write schema will write the schema first, then it will write the data, that will execute second, and diffgram will show you whether it is inserted or updated, something like that. Okay, so let's execute one by one and observe how the data is coming. Okay, so I given something like ignore schema, so let me execute this workflow and see how the data will be like. Okay, so the execution might have been completed, yes, and so this is the data, there is no schema in it, directly data. Okay, so if I keep something like schema, write schema, let me write something like output 3.xml, okay. So if we observe the different output here, output 3.xml, what is does is you can see here it is creating a schema. Okay, till where is here, you can see here this one schema, this all the things got created. Okay, now itself. And table to data, which was again a normal one, this is got here. Okay, so this one, if you see schema, will be like a new data set, and each type, okay, I am creating this table name, type as string, I have created id as int, I have created place as a string, and minimum occurrences, it is giving minimum, it will come 0, minimum will be like how many times minimum it should come, like that. Okay, so the value, so it is creating schema as well as the value. So this would be really important when you want to validate against the you have the XML, you want to validate against the schema. This would be really important, and this is generating. Okay, this will be used as a DTD file, right? This one, only this, the highlighted one, you can use it as a DTD file as a schema, and you can validate against the XML file that you are getting. So you will come to know whether it is following the structure or not as well. Okay, so once I have it, let me give this diffgram. So let me change it to output 4. In this one, let me execute this one. So it started executing, completed. So this will be little different. It's again an XML file. So let me show you different one. Again, this will be like, it is keeping in diffgram tags, first one, and if you see different things as changed will come. Is it changed or not? This is the another tag. Is it changed or not? Yes, it is changed. Is equal to inserted, like that. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me overwrite this file and see how the data will come. Is it comes as inserted or changed? Okay, it is completed. So let me open with a notepad here. Inserted. Okay, so it is overwriting that particular file. Okay, so it will show whether that particular row is already available in that XML document, and it will see whether we can insert or delete it. Okay, as of now here they are overwriting, so that old one will be get deleted and new one get created. Okay, that's how they are doing it here. So we have explored 3 different options like diffgram, write schema, ignore schema. In ignore schema you will get only the data, no schema will be there, and the write schema you will get schema as well as data. So schema you can use it as a DTD, and you can save it as DTD, and you can use it to validate against the XML file. And the diffgram will be like, it will show you the difference, like is it inserted, is it updated, something like that it will show. So that's how it is. Very straightforward activity. Please try it to your home and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section so that I can help you on it. Thank you.